Assalamualaikum and a very good morning everyone. So how are you today? Okay, I hope everyone is doing fine. So for today's class we'll be learning about the have to and don't have to. Okay, so this lesson is very simple as long as you understand the singular and plural, so I think it's going to be okay. So have to and don't have to, it has two forms, negative form and positive form. So this one is the positive form, which we use the has or have to. Has to is when we use when it is singular, and have to we use it when it is plural. Okay, so we use have to talk about things we do because they are necessary. Necessary means perlu kita buat, kita guna have to tu bila kita cakap tentang benda-benda yang kita perlu lakukan, when it is necessary. And then the second one is the negative form. So negative form is doesn't have to and don't have to. Okay, so doesn't have to for the singular and don't have to for the plural. So we use don't have to talk about things we do not do because they are not necessary. Kita cakap pasal benda yang kita tak perlu buat sebab dia bukan satu keperluan, macam tu. Okay, and okay, but one thing that you must take note, when there is two, kan ada doesn't have to kan. So when there is two, this word, remember that the verb that comes after two must be in its base form. Base form means root word, kata yang asal, dia bukan dalam bentuk yang kita tambah s, bukan yang past tense. Okay, so dia kena dalam bentuk asal. So for example, to cook, to paint. Okay, this one is very easy. Okay, let us do some warm up. Okay, so change these sentences to negative form. So remember, when it's negative form, you must use don't have to or doesn't have to. Okay, so the first sentence, the boys have to wash the dishes in the evening. So how do you want to know whether you need to use don't have to or doesn't have to? Macam mana kita mau tahu? So the first thing yang you must identify is the subject. So look at the subject. Which one is the subject? The subject is the boys. So the boys. So how many people are there? Is it one or more than one? Yes, it's more than one. So when more than one, we use don't have. We use don't. So the boys don't have to wash the dishes in the evening. Simple, right? So it means that we only have to add here that don't. The boys don't have to wash the dishes in the evening. Okay, so you rewrite back the sentences. The boys don't have to wash the dishes in the evening. Okay, so excuse my handwriting because this is not paper, so yeah, my handwriting is not that good. So okay, next one, we continue with the next sentences. My mother have to bake a cake for my sister's birthday. Okay, so the first thing that you must do is identify the subject. Very good. So which one is the subject? Yes, it's my mother. My mother. So how many people are there? Is it one or more than one? Yes, it's one people. So when one people, it's singular. So singular, kita use doesn't. We use doesn't. So we rewrite it as my mother doesn't have to bake a cake for my sister's birthday. Okay, so it's very simple, right? Okay, so if this is for the negative form, so let us see the positive form. Okay, we see the next exercise. Okay, so this one we need to change the sentences to positive form. So okay, kalau positive form kita guna apa? Positive form kita guna has to or have to. So has to is for singular, this one is for singular, and then this one is for plural. Okay, now let us read the first sentence. The boys don't have to wash the dishes in the evening. So the first thing that we must to do is identify the subject. So which one is the subject? Okay, this one. This one is the subject, the boys. So how many people are there? One people or more than one? Yes, there are more than one. So when more than one, we use this one, plural, right? So have to. So the boys have to wash the dishes in the evening. So we just cancel this one and then kita tulis balik dekat bawah. The boys have to wash the dishes in the evening. Okay, and then the next sentence. My mother doesn't have to bake a cake for my sister's birthday. Okay, so identify the subject. Which one is the subject? Yes, very good. My mother. So how many people are there? One or more than one? One people. So it's singular, so we use has to. Okay, dekat sini have to, jadi kita tukar have ni jadi has. So my mother has to bake a cake for my sister's birthday. Very simple, right? Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you guys can complete your exercise in your buku kerja. Okay, so don't forget to submit it to me. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. See you next time.